Imagine waking up every day knowing your bank account is growing, even while you sleep. In 2024, the dream of financial freedom is closer than ever, thanks to passive income opportunities that can turn your life around. Whether you're looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind, provide for your family, or simply enjoy more of what life has to offer, these passive income strategies will help you build the life you've always dreamed of. 1. Real estate crowdfunding, own property without the headache. Real estate has always been a cornerstone of wealth, but not everyone has the capital or time to manage properties. Enter real estate crowdfunding. With as little as a few $100s, you can invest in a share of lucrative properties worldwide. No tenants, no repairs, just consistent returns. Imagine being part of a luxury hotel in Miami or a bustling apartment complex in New York, all from the comfort of your home. 2. Dividend Stocks. Let your money work for you. 2024 is the year to embrace dividend stocks. By investing in companies that pay regular dividends, you can enjoy a steady stream of income while your portfolio grows in value. The beauty of dividend investing is that it rewards you for your loyalty. As you watch your dividends roll in, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment, knowing that your money is working hard, just like you did. 3. Create and sell an online course. Share your passion with the world. Everyone has something they're passionate about. Why not turn that passion into a passive income stream? In 2024, online learning is bigger than ever. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell courses on virtually any topic. Imagine earning money while you sleep, knowing that people around the world are learning and growing because of you. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Be the bank. In a world where banks often seem like the only option, peer-to-peer lending offers a powerful alternative. By lending your money directly to individuals or small businesses, you can earn higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. It's not just about the returns. It's about helping someone achieve their dreams, one loan at a time. 5. Write an eBook. Turn your story into a revenue stream. Have a story to tell? 2024 is the perfect time to write and self-publish an eBook. Whether it's fiction, self-help, or a how-to guide, there's an audience waiting to read your work. Once published, your eBook can generate income for years to come. Picture yourself as an author, with royalties flowing in as your words inspire and entertain readers worldwide. Conclusion: 2024 is your year to take control of your financial future. Passive income isn't just about money. It's about freedom, security, and the ability to live life on your own terms. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're building a legacy for yourself and your loved ones.